Yeah, hi there. This is our task. We have to perform ethical hacking so we can get username and password of any user on the network. First of all, we have to install Wireshark, that is network analyzer tool. We are using a Wi-Fi mode, so we can click on wireless Wi-Fi adapter. We can use this website to test the username and password credentials. We can open any browser and we can paste here. So when we open it, we can see this is the website that we are using testfire.net. So here we are signing in, username any admin, password we can apply admin and login. Okay, so now we got that we are logging in as admin. These are many things. We are in admin administration panel and we can do anything, everything. So when we go sign off, we can and other user can come with some other name like user and user login. So this is fail. So if anyone is also using this site with some other username and password, it can be logged here. So we can also try again admin and password user. This is third, and we can log in as fail. This is online banking login. Okay, so no, we we can check that somebody is in our network and using this site, that is http, that is not secure. And on this site, if somebody is trying to access any website and its credentials using username and password, so we can capture it. Now we can come on Wireshark, just stop it, and then we have to capture the username and password packets on filtering app. We can just apply http, that is vulnerable protocol, and apply here. We can see that there are many http packets captured here. So we can see that these are two packets, one is get and one is post. For the we have to open the post packet. We can click on post packet, that is post. Okay, no, we can come here http hypertext protocol and post login. We can see host, that is testfire.com, that is host. Okay, so now on HTML form, HTML form URL, we can see that the hypertext was, the host was testfire.com .net and the username was admin and password as admin, and it was login. So using button submit, it's got login. So we can check here another packet that we if somebody other also using the other website, we can capture other post packet, that is post packet. We can check here, same website is testfire, and in HTML section user ID is user and password is user, and he applied login. So and for the third, we can check another post packet, that is we can also here you admin and user. So using packet tracer, using Wireshark, we can capture the packets. Those have credentials of login credentials like HTTP post packets, where they can apply any admin and any username and password. So this is the ethical hacking technique. used to capture the login credentials of any user, and it is used mostly in network where people are trying to access their login accounts like banking accounts. Users are like trying to access their login credentials like username and password of the banking, of the industries and something else. So this technique is take the used to capture the username and password, and attacker can use them and access to the website. Thank you so much.